Hello, this morning from Dan, Karen, and the girls. We're in our cleaned out trail. This trail's always clear. And the girls wanted to go walking this morning up the trail, so we're going walking up the trail. Or should I say down the trail, right, Tessa? Please. As you can see, it's slippery at times. You step on a rock that's got a little bit of, I'll say, not moss, but I'm not sure what you call it. See if, just a few of the damsel flies are out. Well, actually quite a few, if you notice. There's thousands here. They're awesome critters. They're beautiful. They're a cousin of the dragonfly. Yeah, we're just actually coming back from our morning hike. Just added a little extension onto it. We nearly never hit all of our trails. Look at the beautiful flowers. The damselflies. And the major flowers are just coming out. There's, I bet, millions of them. There's the island. Oh. We just passed the island. Here is the girls' swimming hole, or one of them. Right down in there. That's the girls' swimming hole. Well, we're going up now to end this. So for Dan, Karen, and the girls in Magical Machias, y'all have a wonderful day today. Goodbye.